This video will cover the basic operation and uses for the Earthway Precision Garden Seeder. Here we have a view of one of the seed plates. The seed plates are labeled for what seeds they will work with. They have 3 notches that line up with corresponding tabs inside of the hopper. To install, line up the notches and tabs and rotate the plate counterclockwise to lock into place. You may need to hold the front wheel to fully lock the plate into place. Fill the hopper directly with the desired seeds after the corresponding plate has been installed. Make sure not to fill past the fill line. This will ensure proper operation of the seeder. As you push the seeder along, the front wheel turns as shown. This activates the belt to turn the corresponding pulley that the seed plate is attached to on the inside of the hopper. This view shows how the turning of the wheel drives the turning of the seed plate. We can see that the plate feeds 1 or 2 seeds at a time into a chute. The scoops on the plate are spaced evenly to space seeds the correct distance apart in the ground. Once the seed is dropped into the chute, it drops into the trough cut by the ground opener. The chain closes the trough up as it is dragged across the ground, and the rear wheel helps to press the trough closed. Different seeds require different planting depths. The ground opener can be adjusted to the correct depth by loosening the wing nut and adjusting the height accordingly. Make sure to resecure the wing nut to prevent the depth from changing. For added convenience, there is a depth marker built in, as highlighted in the circle on the screen. The Earthway Seeder comes with a row marker, which can be detached from the clip on the back and can be set to either side, depending on which side the next row will be on. Adjusting the row spacing is similar to adjusting the planting depth. Loosen the wing nut and slide the row marker to the desired width. Make sure to retighten the wing nut in order to keep the desired spacing. The ground needs to be fairly loosely compacted in order for the seeder to work optimally. Otherwise, it can be a bit of a struggle to push it. A good tip is to mark the approximate ends of your rows in order to keep it as straight as possible. Seeders can be an effective time saver as well as help keep your growing areas more tidy. If you have any questions or comments or would like some more information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching our video.